On June 16, 2025, police initially checked a man who had been arrested for suspected involvement in a theft. During the search, he complained that the handcuffs were too tight, so the police explained and adjusted them accordingly. After determining that he was not carrying any items, they placed him in a patrol car for further processing according to regulations.
What's up?
Why you got me up?
I put two cuffs on you like your ass.
I'm talking about, like, space apart.
Yeah, I gotta take the other ones off.
Okay.
There's two cuffs on you.
Hold on, why you got me? Yeah, just give me something.
Here, is that better?
Thanks, sir.
Alright. No property. What's that?
Am I wearing?
No, you can't. Sorry. Alright, we're gonna go around this side here.
Escort. You be able to put this right there?
What? The seatbelt? Yep, that's where it goes.
I'm talking about like this part behind me, please. I just don't like nothing on my chest.
What? This part?
Yeah, can you be able to put behind me? Hold on.
It's gonna take a second.
Thank you, man.
Just gotta reset.
I'm trying to be no asshole right now, you know?
What is it?
I'm trying to be no asshole right now, you
No,
know?
no.
Body, hey, injury, you know?
There we go. Alright, lean forward, there you go.
Damn, this one ain't got the air like yours, bro.
Oh, I gotta crank it up.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yep.
Be safe.
Take care.
Before you park in the country. So, like, what's my charge?
What's that?
What's my charge?
I'll read it to you.
The conversation turned to bail. The man asked if the officer could call the jail to confirm how much he would need to post to be released. The officer said the bail was $2,500 cash, as required by Delaware County law. He was surprised to hear that having previously heard it was $250. The officer explained that $250 was a 10% discount if using a bondsman, and the full bail was still $2,500.
Call down there and see how much my bond is and shit like that, so I can just bond out.
Your bond is $2,500 cash surety.
Why is it $2,500?
Because it's Delaware County.
Because they said it was $250 the other night.
You got $250 if you do a bondsman, because it's cash surety.
So I can go to a bondsman though?
I don't think you can. I think somebody else has to call a bondsman.
I mean, yeah. Can my mom call a bondsman and get me out?
Yeah, but that's gonna take hours. Yeah.
I mean, that's cool. I mean, what can I do? I mean, I can't.
So once you get to Delaware, you'll be able to make a phone call. You can call your mom, ask her to get a hold of bondsman. The bondsman will meet with your mom or talk to her on the phone, and then as long as they agree, they'll come down to Delaware County, post your bond, and then you can get out. Pending that you agree to come to court, because you'll have a court date.
I'm just not understanding what's going on right now. I went to Lancaster to sign a recognizance to promise to come to court.
What's that?
I went to Lancaster to sign a paper saying I'll come to court.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know why. Like, what the fuck is this?
The officer put out a warrant for you. Did you ever talk to our officer?
No, I never talked to anybody. The other night I got pulled over. What's the name? And they said I had a warrant. They were gonna take me, but y'all acted like y'all was too busy, so they let me go.
Yep, this was.
That's why when they said it was 250 then.
Yeah, 10% through a bondsman.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not about to.
But for anybody else, it's $2,500.
Yeah. So y'all don't do like the 10% shit, like unless it's through a bondsman.
That's the judge. The judge sets the bond. The judge says $2,500 cash surety. The way bond works is if the judge says cash surety, that means it has to be paid $2,500. The only reason why a bondsman doesn't pay the $2,500 is because bondsman has a cash surety insurance that puts up the rest of the money.
Yeah.
Right? They're saying, hey, I'm good for it. Here's 10% in good faith, and my client, which would be you, will come to court.
Okay.
So if you don't come to court, the court finds the bondsman responsible, which in turn the bondsman will find whoever hired him, like your mom, responsible, and you. And a lot of times they'll make you put up like some kind of a collateral, and then they'll take possession of the collateral. So let's say you put up a car, then they'll put a lien on the car.
The officer told the man that he could not call a surety himself and would need a relative to do so when he arrived at the Delaware County Jail. The man was confused because he had posted bond in Lancaster, but the officer explained that a new warrant had been issued for his arrest. He also mentioned that he had been stopped before, but was released because the officers were too busy. The officer clarified that bail was $2,500 cash or $250, 10%, through a surety, and that failure to appear in court could result in the bondsman being held liable or forfeiting their bond. Since the warrant was still active and he had not posted bail, the man was taken directly to the Delaware County Jail to be held until he posted bail or appeared in court.